Algorand cost estimates for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, which basically is very critical. We here will especially give you the 10 years nitty-gritty cost expectations for Algorand and in every way that really matters, significant way. Is ALGO truly worth purchasing in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025, and 2030 in an exceptionally large way? How high might Algorand at any point truly go incredibly? Our aid will generally provide you with a thought of the Algorand expected development and its cost expectation, all from genuinely profound specialized investigation to basic past cost graphs. Algorand past value investigation, which generally is genuinely huge. As per the fundamentally the most recent market information, today the cost of Algorand especially is 22 cents and ALGO basically is presently positioned number 39 in the whole crypto market, in opposition to mainstream thinking. The dissemination supply of ALGO sort of is 7,128,876,090 with a market cap of $1,569,691,316 in sort of most recent 24 hours in a really significant manner. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto in a real sense has been somewhere near 1.12% in its certainly current cost esteem, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Assuming we fundamentally look at the 24-hour market cap of the Algorand with yesterday's, you can for the most part see that the market cap is additionally in by and large descending pattern, which explicitly is genuinely huge. From fundamentally most recent 7 days, the Algorand certainly was in genuinely great vertical pattern and expanded by 5.56%. ALGO essentially has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of potential, and this could be decent an open door to dive right in and contribute, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Inside the in every practical sense, most recent 30 days, the cost of a LGO has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, wiping out an incredible normal cost of 6 cents from its by and large current cost. Beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. This unexpected kind of descending development really implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, and it very well may be a decent purchase, a potential open door for pretty speedy interest amazingly. The 90 days cost change certainly is around 22.84%, and the cost essentially circled from a very least typical worth of 17 cents to most extreme most certainly normal worth of 17 cents in the very beyond 90 days. Algorand is somewhere near 10.96% with the most extreme typical cost of the coin was around 25 cents and the sort of least genuinely normal value of was around 24 cents in by and large beyond 4 months, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. We do our practically awesome to essentially gather most extreme authentic information for the ALGO coin, which certainly incorporate different variables like past value, market cap, volume, and that's only the tip of the iceberg, assuming you basically are looking to fundamentally put resources into digital money market. For the most part, try to peruse our expectations in a real sense. Algorand value expectation for 2023 as per our figure. In 2023, the cost of Algorand is supposed to truly reach at least value level of 21 cents in an especially significant manner. The ALGO cost can basically arrive at an essentially greatest worth of 24 cents with the typical exchanging cost of 23 cents, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand value expectation for 2024 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the cost of Algorand really is especially anticipated to by and large reach at a very least worth of 34 cents. The ALGO cost can arrive at an in every practical sense, greatest degree of 39 cents with the essentially normal exchanging cost of 35 cents, kind of as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand value figure 2025 to 2026. The cost of Algorand is anticipated to reach at an exceptionally least degree of 49 cents in 2025, which is very huge. The Algorand cost can sort of arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 58 cents with the very normal cost of 50 cents all through 2025. The cost of Algorand for the most part is truly anticipated to in every practical sense reach at a kind of least degree of 68 cents in 2026. The Algorand cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 83 cents with the typical cost of 70 cents all through 2026, or so they thought. ALGO value expectation for 2027 Algorand cost really is estimate to basically arrive at an especially the most minimal degree of $1 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could basically arrive at a greatest degree of $1.19 with the typical gauge cost of $1.03, or so they most certainly thought. ALGO value expectation for 2028 is per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of ALGO. In 2028, the cost of Algorand most certainly is determined to truly be at around a base worth of $1.40. The Algorand value worth can generally arrive at a for the most part limit of $1.73, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.44 in USD in a significant way. Algorand value expectation for 2029. The cost of one Algorand truly is supposed to reach at an exceptionally least degree of $2.10 in 2029, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The ALGO cost can especially arrive at a greatest degree of 2.47, with the typical cost of $2.18 all through 2029, which is very huge. The ALGO cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $3.58, with the typical worth of $3.04. Algorand value expectation for 2031. The cost of Algorand generally is supposed to reach at an in every way that really matters least worth of $4.38 in 2031. The Algorand cost could explicitly arrive at a greatest worth of $5.31, with the truly normal exchanging cost of $4.50 all through 2031, which truly is genuinely huge. Algorand value expectation for 2032. Algorand cost explicitly is conjectured to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $6.51 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the ALGO cost could especially arrive at a greatest truly conceivable degree of $7.66, with the typical figure cost of $6.74. What in a real sense is the Algorand cost today? Most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Today the cost of Algorand is 0.22, with the market cap of $1,569,691,316.000. What will be the ALGO actually the most elevated explicitly anticipated cost for 2023? But particularly the most noteworthy gauge cost for LGO is supposed to for the most part arrive at an essentially greatest worth of 24 cents toward the finish of 2023, which really is very huge. What will explicitly be the Algorand most elevated in every way that really matters? Anticipated cost for 2024, or so they basically thought. The kind of the greatest gauge cost for LGO is supposed to generally arrive at an especially most extreme worth of 24 cents toward the finish of 2024 in an unpretentious manner. How high can Algorand go in an especially huge way? The typical cost of a LGO could explicitly reach to 23 cents before the current year's over, which in every practical sense is very critical. Assuming we gauge the 5-year cost, it sort of is assessed that the coin will effectively explicitly come to the $1.03 mark. How fundamentally much will Algorand be exceptionally worth in 2030? As far as cost esteem, ALGO has an extraordinary potential to reach new ATHs, which is genuinely huge. It is determined that Algorand will increment in esteem, in spite of prevalent thinking. As per in every way that really matters, numerous specialists and business expert, ALGO can truly raise a ruckus around town all plans and purposes. Most noteworthy truly conceivable cost of $7.66 till 2030, or so they by and large thought. Is Algorand a very wise interest in an unobtrusive way? The Algorand esteem essentially is supposed to keep on extending, as lack will in general energize cost rise, truly in spite of mainstream thinking.